Okay, everyone. This is what the container looks like. Now, I hope my project don't fall apart like that. Anyway, I'm going to take it out of the container. And if the creek rock don't fall out of it, and if it's not moist on the bottom, then we'll continue on. And if it has moisture on the bottom, then I will let it dry for another 24 hours. But let's see if we can get it out without it crumbling all over the place. I've never done this before, so maybe just see if I turn it up. Oh, it came right out. It doesn't feel moist on the back. Of course, it's got some edges need cleaned up. That's what it looks like. The rock is pretty heavy, so I don't know. I did put it up on some sticks to let the air flow underneath it. Let's see. I'm going to try to cut these straws off at the thing. But it looks like it went all the way through anyway. What I'm afraid of is if I try to get it out, it'll break it. But it came out, so, how about a pencil? Watch me break it. Oh, there. Wow. So the straws came up pretty good, but I still am going to wait for another 24 hours before I put the string in it to hold it up. But that's the project. There's nothing still out yet. So we shall see what happens after 24 hours, then I'll continue on with the project. Welcome back, guys. So we're going to try to make the ghost in the back look a little better. I don't know if I can move his arm. I doubt it. I'm going to try to use a marker. Black chalk paint. Maybe one of these little brushes. We don't mess it up too bad. Maybe I should have tried that with this. Just paint the outline. These are called micro brushes. Now I've got some paint markers for the back. Let's see what we got. I'll see. Yeah, well, it can be a weird looking bat. It's a gray pencil. just making some of the outline. Make sure I'm in frame. Okay. And I might glue these on here at the bottom afterwards. I don't know. I'm going to take the sanding block and see if I can fix it a little bit. You know, we can remove the plaster part. Some of it. Be like skeletons crawling up. Alrighty, let's see. Want to touch. This is wood glue. I've been working on another project that... And we don't care if there's strings because, hey, it's a Halloween project, right? Hopefully they'll stay on it. And it's hot too. Yet. But I'm going to put some string in it for now. This is what came with the skeleton. Let's see. It's just an experiment anyway. But there it is. For now. You know, you can always add to it or whatever. But I'll show pictures of it hanging up. Like I said, I might paint around it. I don't know. I ain't made up my mind. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little project or experiment with plaster of Paris, which is POP in the world of crafting. Plaster of Paris. Man, it's fun. And hope you enjoyed it. And I will see you the next time. Bye. Blessed be. Ooh, there it is, everyone hung up. I did put some gold on his eyes and mouth a little bit to show it up more. He celebrate Halloween. Alright guys, blessed be. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'd really like for you to join my YouTube family. Bye.